Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unbagging video. Ladies and gentlemen, I said I wasn't going to do this video and that I just was going to pop up some pictures of this particular unbagging, and y'all already know if I say unbagging, I'm talking about TEMU. I finally got shipment number 1 of TEMU order number 3, and I just was so disgusted with the whole experience, y'all. I said that I wasn't even going to do an unbagging, that I just was going to take some pictures and put them up on the community post. But y'all, this week I have been struggling with recording content. I'm supposed to do this natural hair video. This is a texture ID wash day. Shout out to Elena, Lady Smash. Check out her channel for her videos. This week just haven't been a week, and I was like, you know what, I need to upload some video. I have to do something. And I looked at this TEMU package, y'all, that I got like a couple days ago. I still haven't even opened it, but we gonna do that right now. As I use my scissors to carefully open up this bag, I'm gonna ask y'all to please take a moment to like the video, subscribe if you're interested in my channel content. I do natural hair videos, all kind of stuff related to that. I do unboxings and unbaggings of products. I do a lot of gardening videos. I have a backyard garden. Check out my backyard shenanigans playlist for that. Y'all, this plastic kind of rough now. It holds up to shipping for sure. I forgot the stuff that I ordered, but I am gonna show pictures of it. But y'all, support my channel, like, subscribe, comment, click the notifications bell. Make sure you have the notifications set to all, and please do me a favor and check out my community tab posts and my YouTube shorts. I do a lot of those type of uploads, and it's like the in-between content and the goings on and the happenings in between my videos. So make sure you regularly and consistently check out the community tab posts and my YouTube shorts. Now let's see what I got. So this is the bag just opened up. I'm gonna take this stuff out of here and let's see what's going on. Oh, I know what these are. So these right here, and I believe it's supposed to be 17 by 17. It doesn't show the size here, but these are protective toppers. I think it's meant for food, but I actually was going to use it in my garden. And let me see if I can open these. It's kind of, well, 17 by 17. That's almost a foot and a half. But in the picture, it should show you what they look like fully opened up. And like I said, I wanted to use this more in my garden, which is my primary use, you know, than my kitchen table per se. Just to protect my starts or protect my plants while they're growing. This is the material. It's almost like an umbrella. You see this metal part here, and I'm guessing you just push it up. Is that, y'all, please don't let me break this thing. Hold on, let me see. Do you just push it up? Oh, I think it goes, does it? Oh, yeah, okay. All right, and then if you can see this, it's just like this. And this is a nice size. It's a nice height. And I can put this in my garden. I can put this over my buckets. I think this will fit over the gallon, over my 5-gallon buckets. And it might even fit most of the way over my 15-gallon planter pots. It's very fine mesh. Maybe not as fine as tulle, but it is very fine. so no moths or bugs or whatever will be able to fly down on it. It has like this lace on the edge. I almost wish that this was solid just for my purposes, but roly-polies and stuff, they won't be able to get through this. And so this is what it is. I like this. And then I think you just, what do you push it? Yeah, just push it in and then it folds right back up. So that's why I bought these. And these came 3 in a pack. So 1, 2, 3. And that's what I'm going to use this for. And if they work well, I probably would buy some more. The next thing that I got were 2 packs of these silicone liners. Remember I told y'all, I probably said it in the last video. Make sure y'all check out the last TEMU haul, which was the second shipment of this order. This is a reshipment of the first order. So, but in that video, I showed you the paper liners that I got. And I was like, you know what? Those are disposable, 1 use probably. Y'all, maybe 2 uses. I might be able to reuse them one time. Even though I have 100 in the pack, y'all. Waste not, want not. Reuse, recycle, I re. But these are silicone ones. And I hope that I got the size that fits my basket. The basket of my air fryer, y'all. And I still haven't taken that air fryer out the box. I'm going to use it though. Y'all give me some recipes, give me some ideas of what to cook in the air fryer. I'm gonna try everything, but oh good. Now y'all see how this is kind of like crumpled up and folded in? When you take it out, it comes, you know, it goes to shape and to form. And let's see, this says it's good for up to 446 degrees and down to negative 40 degrees. And it has the fork and the spoon and the food, you know, to let you know this is a food safe container. It has little ridges on the inside, but the bottom is smooth to fit in the inside of the basket. And I got these in the other liners mainly because I know that you do have to put about a teaspoon of oil or a tablespoon of oil depending on what you're cooking. It's just not like a deep fryer where all of the food is submerged in grease. But you still do need a little oil, a little grease with the air fryer to cook the food. But I don't want the fryer to get all dirty and, you know, messy. And I don't want it to be cleaning up no mess. So that's why I got these liners. So I got the paper liners that were in the previous order. And then I got these silicone liners. And I think, so there were 2 put in order, and I got 2 orders, so I have 4 total. And I don't know why the paper liners didn't like motivate me to want to use my air fryer, but somehow these silicone liners do. So I'm just hoping that they are the right size. They look like they are. They actually look like they are smaller than what my air fryer drawer is. I got the kind where you can operate the left side and the right side independently. They pull out baskets or whatever. So we're gonna see, and I'm gonna let y'all know how they turn out. The next thing that I got was y'all see this little brush thing. This is just a little small silicone brush, like when you brushing oil on food or spreading around seasonings or oil or whatever. I was thinking about this when I bake my whole chicken, and I usually put a little oil over the top, but I make a butter mix, a butter and herb mix, and I put it under the skin around the shoulder and the back of the chicken. Oh y'all, when that butter melt, when I take that chicken out the oven, I basically bought this for its size, for its flexibility, and because it was 18 cents. The next thing that I got was a hanging storage mesh bag. If you remember from the last order, I showed the mesh bag that I said I was gonna put potatoes and stuff in, and then I had the other hanging bags for like onions and garlic. This was another one that I got. It also has that firm bar at the top, and this is the one, this is the single pouch right here. Now the other one I showed you in the previous video, it had a double pouch, so it had the large opening here, and then it had a pouch right here for you to put stuff in. I like these bags. I like the fact that they have a handle where I can hang them from. And this, y'all, look, this is a nice size. This is not, you know, some little small thing. This is a light size, so I like this. I hope that it actually holds and doesn't rip or tear. I'm not gonna put anything too heavy. I like the mesh, the fabric, you know, it seems like it's gonna be durable, and that's what I'm looking for. And if I like this one and the white one, which was the double pocket one, and then the kind of long, almost like sock shaped ones for my garlic and onion, like if I like them, I'm gonna buy more. And the last thing that came in this order, why I bought 3 I bought 3 packs of the same thing, just different colors, but 3 packs, are silicone muffin containers. I believe each of them has 20 or 24. These are the red, white, and blue ones. These are like the multiple rainbow color ones, and then these are like from dark green to white. And let's see, and I just bought these because I have silicone muffin containers. Why I can't think of whatever this cupcake muffin mold. I have some, but they're getting kind of older, and I just wanted to get some replacements. And I just, apparently, y'all, I just bought like a whole bunch. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's 12. So maybe all of them are 12. Maybe it's 12 in each one. But yeah, so that's what I got. Just muffin things to line in the muffin pans. And I like these because they are reusable. They help not to get the muffin pan all dirty and nasty. And even when the muffin pan, maybe it doesn't look as cosmetically or aesthetically pleasing, I can still use it and just sit these on the inside. Because y'all, just because something get a little old, or I start seeing like 1 or 2 little scuffs or scrapes or a little rust mark or whatever, y'all, I'm gonna use it until it can't be used no more. Y'all, I'm glad I came back and actually did this video, because I wasn't gonna do it. This week have been an off week. This day, y'all, this morning when I woke up, I just, oh my God, but the last couple of days have been hot for our area. I know in many parts of the country it's over 100 degrees, you know, on a daily basis for the past 3 months and stuff. Trust me, I sympathize and empathize with you. I'm from the South. I know what that heat plus humidity can do to you. I have been in very dry heat. I understand what that is. Also, in my area, it's been getting into the 90s, and that's like extreme heat for us. If it go past 85 in my area, in my climate, in my little micro environment, you know, that's extra hot. And it's been getting into the 90s, and I think that have been draining my energy, y'all. I think it really have been draining me. I went outside Monday and Tuesday trying to sift soil. Monday I got 1 barrel full done. Yesterday I went out there and I think I got about a half a barrel done before the fig beetle ran me inside, y'all. They ran me inside. I haven't been back out there since today. I didn't go out at all. This is an off week for me. I haven't done any of my exercises. I had decided that sifting the soil was going to count as my exercise. So technically, I did get my Monday exercise done. And on Tuesday, I still was out there for at least 45 minutes. So I kind of got 2 days of exercising done already. I just, y'all, this week is just, this is just an off week for me. I'm gonna try at some point to do a results and review video for this texture ID. Megan, I saw your comment. I have 3 of the 4 products that you wanted me to use. I do not have a deep conditioner by Camille Rose, so I had to swap that out with something else. Today is Wednesday, and this week is just not the week. I'm gonna try to do a few YouTube shorts, try to do some community posts, but y'all please support me. Don't count me down, don't count me out. This is just an off week, and it be like that sometimes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.